Hello, my daughter.
Hello, Mommy.
A mother's love is forever.
I know, Mommy.
I love you so much, my dear.
I love you too, Mom.
You make me so proud. My beautiful daughter, always remember, you're brave, you're capable, you're pretty. I know this because I am your mother.
Thank you, Mommy. What's such a kind words. I love you, Mommy.
My daughter, can I bless you with this Bible verse? Proverbs 3:5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight.
Thanks, Mommy. May the good Lord bless you. I love you, Mommy.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you.